From the soggiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's waterlogged barbecue and grilling channel. It has been raining out here. We've had tornado warnings, you name it, floods. A tornado hit a train, lifted it and derailed it a little east of here in Waverly, Nebraska. That was about a month and a half ago. It's been like this for about a month and a half now, and finally, we've got a sunny day. It's warm. Actually, it's kind of hot out here, and I need to get back at it. But first, the Sentinels, all these grills, all my kettle grills have been in the garage for the duration of this bad weather. I mean, it was bad. It's been brutal, but it's okay now. But these grills, they've been sitting in the garage, like I said, for about a month and a half, maybe a little bit longer. I pulled them out, I gave them a good look-see, and it turns out they need to be cleaned. So, check this out. I was in an Ace hardware store just a couple of days ago buying some string for my string trimmer because I had a lot of work to do out here after all the rain. And I found this. It's Citrusafe. A lot of other channels have been using this effectively too, I might add. I saw this in the store and I said, I've got to try it. So we're going to do that today. We're not grilling anything right now. There may be something recorded later tonight. I don't know. Depends on whether or not what I want to cook gets thawed out, because it's been in the freezer for about a month and a half. But let's get right to it. Citrusafe. It works on the cool surfaces, not hot. You don't have to, you don't have to use the heat from the charcoal to help break down the fats or rust or whatever else may be on your grill grates. We're going to go deep dive on this too. I'm going to not only do the grill grates, I'm going to do the inside of the kettles, the bowls. So stick around, see if this stuff works. I know it does because everybody else has used it and everybody else says it works. So let's do this. It smells like a big old orange that you cut into at night when you've got the munchies, man. It smells pretty good. All right, I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. We'll be right back. All right, about a minute has gone by. Citrusafe has their own scrubbing pads. They advise not to use a wire brush, and I kind of concur with that. This is just your standard everyday, you've seen one, you've seen them all, kitchen type sponge with a rough edge. And we're just going to just wash it down. All right, for good measure, flip it over, get this side. I'm not too concerned about this side because, you know, there is some grease back here. If you can see it, I don't know. Okay, and then, all right, I'm gonna give this a good spritz, especially along the fins here. As Buzz Aldrin once said, while standing on the surface of the moon, this grill is like home. I'm going to take good care of it. And all the grills. And a paper towel. It should be wet. This one isn't. Probably doesn't matter. Look at that. It's just coming right off, man. I found it. This stuff is non-toxic. It's just, I didn't read the instructions, but it smells like it's just citric acid, you know, which is what you'll find in an orange. And I'm not even going to bother with this. This is just what the charcoal sits on. Doesn't really matter if it's clean or not. It burns off. Man, this is the cleanest this grill has been in years. Look at that. There we go. Now I'm going to do the next one, the Weber One Touch Silver. I may show you part of that, but you get the gist, right? Right. And there you go, Citrusafe rocks. I didn't get everything off of it, but most of, 10 or 12 or 15 years worth of buildup is gone. And hey,
What about me?
Oh, I'm sorry. Jumbo Joe. Joe, I'm sorry, man. Yeah, we'll get right on it.
Well, you better get on it, toot sweet here.
Probably not on camera, though.
90 minutes later.
And the smallest of the grills is the hardest to clean. Damn, Joe, what happened?
I'm a versatile grill. Everybody uses me when you're not looking.
This guy, Weber Jumbo Joe, was a pain in the petunia to clean. You're the least used grill out here. You been hanging out in Casper or something?
That's most definitely what's up, Tubes.
I might have guessed. You see the sweat dripping off the brim of my hat? Took me an hour and a half to clean you. Stay clean. Take a bath once in a while, will ya? We'll be back. And this thing has seen better days.